Chrome-plated steel kitchen cart with caster wheels and removable wood top. Ideal for a microwave, mini fridge or convenient extra storage. 1.5-inch wood top shelf with 2 adjustable chrome shelves. Each shelf holds up to 50 pounds, 175-pound total capacity. Chrome shelf heights adjust in 1-inch increments, easy assembly, no tools required. 4 chrome hooks offer hanging tool storage. Each hook supports up to 25 pounds, 4 smooth rolling wheels, 2 locking. Top reviews from the United States. Substantial little cart. This is a sturdy little cart I am using to hold the Cuisinart and Instant pot and all their accessories. I keep the top clear for prep or when using these appliances. The top cutting board is thick and heavy and adjustable shelves are a plus. I wish it had baskets that might be sold with it that would fit the width of the space. I went out locally and really didn't get what I wanted. The baskets would have contained all the little parts nicely. Oh well, still love the cart.